Welcome everyone. Today we are looking at a fundamental shift in how we manage project finances. We call it moving from guesswork to foresight. Over the next few minutes, we will explore how predictive control changes the game. Let us begin this journey toward financial mastery. We must start by confronting a harsh reality. The cost of inefficiency is no longer sustainable for any of us. Research indicates that up to 30% of business budgets are wasted due to inefficiencies and misallocations. Despite our most careful planning, projects frequently exceed their budgets, causing massive strain. Why does this happen? Because we rely on conventional budgeting methods. We use historical data and gut instinct, which are often subjective. This approach creates significant financial risks. We need to stop looking backward to fix the future and start addressing the root causes of this waste. A new capability has emerged to solve this, known as predictive financial control. Artificial intelligence is transforming budget management from a reactive, historical exercise into a proactive discipline. I want to be clear, this is not about replacing human expertise. It is about augmenting your team with powerful new capabilities. We are seeing increased accuracy as models analyze vast datasets to reduce cost overruns. We see real-time adjustments that reflect changing conditions like supply chain disruptions. And finally, we empower data-driven decisions, allowing leaders to weigh strategies based on hard evidence rather than intuition. To understand how this works, we must look at the three pillars of AI-powered budgeting. AI delivers value across the entire project lifecycle by focusing on these core areas. First, we have predictive forecasting and risk prevention. This allows us to anticipate and mitigate financial issues before they ever occur. Second, we move to intelligent automation and efficiency. This is about eliminating manual work to free your team for strategic thinking. And third, we have strategic optimization and insight. This pillar helps us uncover hidden savings, effectively making every single dollar work harder for your project. Let's dive deeper into Pillar 1, predictive forecasting and risk prevention. This capability relies on pattern recognition. AI analyzes vast datasets from past projects to identify hidden correlations and early warning signs. It generates probability-based forecasts that quantify financial risks with unprecedented accuracy. Furthermore, it offers proactive recommendations. Imagine a system that flags specific vendor combinations that typically exceed estimates by 15%. In practice, you can ask the system to develop a checklist to identify and mitigate risks based on historical data, stopping cost overruns before they even have a chance to start. Now we consider Pillar 2, intelligent automation and efficiency. This technology takes over routine administrative work like data entry, report generation, and complex scheduling. It streamlines workflows by intelligently routing approvals and handling exceptions. A key feature here is unstructured data conversion. The AI transforms scattered information from meeting notes and emails into organized reports. The impact is profound. Organizations see labor cost reductions of 30 to 50% for these processes. You can simply ask the AI to transform a messy transcript into clear action items with owners and deadlines, instantly creating order. Finally, we look at Pillar 3, strategic optimization and insight. This involves resource optimization using dynamic models that continuously adjust based on real-time project needs. It ensures every asset is used at optimal capacity. We also gain procurement intelligence, conducting vendor analysis and price benchmarking to uncover hidden negotiation opportunities. We can even run scenario simulations to model the cost implications of different strategies before we commit. Teams utilizing this pillar report 15 to 25% improvements in resource utilization efficiency. It provides the ability to contrast spending patterns across major categories instantly. It is crucial to understand the AI tool landscape. On one side, we have standard AI assistants. These require you to constantly toggle between applications to find information and repeat your context with every new query. On the other side, we have integrated AI platforms. These are deeply connected to your projects, documents, and team communications. They retain context from past interactions and project goals. The key takeaway here is simple. the greatest value comes from AI that is deeply integrated into your existing ecosystem, turning your data into action seamlessly without friction. Let's look at a real-world example, the case study of NIB, a prominent Australian health insurer. They faced rising operational costs and a need for better efficiency. Their solution was deploying a digital assistant to handle inquiries. The results were staggering. They achieved a $22 million reduction in operational costs. They saw a 60% reduction in the need for human customer service support and a 15% decrease in direct phone calls. This proves that early employee engagement and customer-centric design are critical for successful AI adoption and massive financial returns. These applications are driving value across all major industries, not just insurance. In construction, BIM integrated predictive maintenance is driving 12 to 18% cost reductions. In software development, AI-assisted code review and automated testing are leading to 30% reductions in development costs. In manufacturing, we see predictive maintenance for machinery resulting in 25% overall project cost reductions. Even in professional services, AI-powered staff allocation is improving margins by up to 15%. Regardless of your specific sector, the data shows that intelligent automation translates directly to the bottom line. Success requires tailoring AI to your project's scale. For small to medium projects under $500,000, the strategy is to focus on lightweight implementations. You should use ready-to-use SaaS solutions to target high-frequency tasks for immediate impact within weeks. However, for large enterprise projects over $1 million, the approach changes. You need comprehensive, integrated AI ecosystems using custom-trained models. While the implementation cycle is longer, perhaps 8 to 12 weeks, the goal is transformative results with end-to-end process automation, such as optimizing global resource allocation in real time. We must maintain a balanced perspective, adopting AI with strategic awareness. Adopting AI is not just about technology, it is about enhancing decision-making, and this requires acknowledging limitations. First, consider data quality. The accuracy of AI predictions is entirely dependent on the input. Incomplete data leads to flawed estimates. Second, avoid over-reliance. AI is a tool to augment, not replace, human judgment. Expertise remains essential in complex scenarios. Finally, we must be aware of algorithmic bias. Ethical oversight is crucial to ensure your AI systems are fair, transparent, and unbiased in their processes. So, what is the next step? Your path to intelligent budgeting starts today. The goal is to evolve from a reactive budget administrator into a proactive financial strategist. We recommend a three-step approach. First, start with a high-impact area. Don't boil the ocean. Begin with a low-risk application to build confidence. Second, prioritize data hygiene. Ensure your project data is clean, as the value you get is a reflection of that quality. Third, choose integrated tools. Look for solutions that embed AI directly into your workflows to convert insights into action. We have covered a lot of ground, but the destination is clear. We are moving from guesswork to foresight. By leveraging the tools and strategies we discussed, you can transform your project budgeting. It stops being a source of constant risk and frustration and becomes a source of competitive advantage. The technology is ready, the use cases are proven, and the savings are real. It is time to embrace predictive financial control and secure the future of your projects. Thank you for your time and attention to this vital shift in our industry.